Dear Capricorn people, welcome to Know Thyself YouTube channel. Hope you all are staying safe and keeping well in this difficult time. This short video presents a spiritual message for you for the month of July. I use the power of love activation cards to guide me with this message. The message focuses on some of the attitudes you need to have within you to power your love and give expression to it in every aspect of your life as you enter into and live through the month of July. Since it is a general message, it may not resonate with all of you. Please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. I have pulled out 4 cards after shuffling the cards well and praying to the divine to give you the message you really need as you enter into the month of July. The theme of the first card is release. The description on the card reads, you have the ability to give over unwanted energies to the loving forces of the universe. It is the moment for you to usher in the healing power of love by letting go all illusions you have been holding on to that do not serve your best interest and your highest good. The universe empowers you to release the stagnant energies such as shame, guilt, regret, and undue self criticism, and to create a space for love, self acceptance, self healing, and forgiveness. As you release these toxic energies and replace them with positive energies, you must make sure on a regular basis that toxicity does not build up in your aura. You can do this by positive thinking, meditation, nature walk, or any other such practice that can keep your energies positive and your space clear. The theme of the second card is friendliness. The description on the card reads, you are able to recognize traits in common with another in order to forge love-based connections. The attitude of release genuinely enlightens your mindset so that you are able to recognize common traits in others which can unite you with them, and you are able to open up your hearts to others in friendliness and love. You are ready to give yourself to others without expectations and conditions. In your relationship, you are not afraid to be vulnerable with your partner or friend and learn to grow together. The more you send out the energy of friendliness, the more it charges the atmosphere around you with love. You experience a common bond with others and realize together that we are in this world to help, to support, and to encourage each other. The theme of the third card is tolerance. The description on the card reads, you appreciate other points of view because you sense the love in everyone. Just as the attitude of friendliness helps you to recognize common traits with others to bring about loving connections, so also the attitude of tolerance helps you to understand other people's point of view, though different from yours, and appreciate them for what they really are. You realize that difference in ideology, religion, philosophy, and the like are peripheral and passing. And that which lies deeper in the core of our being as humans is love, which unites us all despite these external differences. In the level of your soul's loving energy, you realize that we all originate and belong to the same source, the divine or the universe. Hence, tolerance helps you to be secure within your own sense of self and let others be as they are without bias or judgment, giving them the support and encouragement they need and the respect they deserve. The theme of the fourth card is transformation. The description on the card reads, "You use the power of love to move through illusions and shift into awareness. The attitudes of release, friendliness, and tolerance change your mindset and the quality of your love. As a result, you are awakening spiritually. Your power of thinking and your power of love get transformed as you let go illusions, recognize common threads of connection, and perceive the foundational connection in the depth level despite external differences, and experience a deeper and fuller awareness. As you progress in this new awareness, you may encounter doubts and confusions within yourself, dislocation in your career, discord with your family, and polarized groups in conflict in the larger world. Ask what role you can play in this transformation. Dear Capricorn friends, in the month of July, the universe is calling you to be part of this larger transformative process. You, along with your world, is going through. Do not be afraid to release the things that have no relevance. Recognize the common bonds uniting you and others. Dare to move beyond the peripheral differences that separates you and the people different from you, and recognize the deeper and foundational bond as humans that unite you, and play an active role in this transformative process. May the divine bless you abundantly that you can play your part in effecting this transformation in your circle of life. This is my wish and prayer for you for the month of July. Please like, comment, subscribe, and click the notification button. Thank you very much for watching the video. Stay blessed until we see you again with another video.